literally that song is stuck in my head. That song has been stuck in my head. Let's go to the beach. Beach. Anyways, I got well, damn, I can't. My nail. My nail. But whatever. Well, I think my train is coming. My train's here. Let's record it coming in. Train is 4 minutes away. So, yeah, I'm just waiting here. My friend's meeting me there. I don't know where she is. Anyways, so she's 3 stops away, and I'm 2 stops. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Oh no, my shoes! It's raining. I have no idea if this is zoomed in or not. Okay, it's not. But look at the sun, it's coming out.